Okay, why is my phone covered with Velcro? Well, here's some Velcro that I bought, and I found a really neat life hack that you can create a very simple mount for your smartphone in your car. So, just want to record a quick video about that, and I will show you the mount in the next scene. So, obviously, my phone has changed shape, and that's because I put Velcro on it. I got the Velcro industrial strength from Walmart for less than $3, $3 US. And it has two strips, one for each side. Well, two for each side actually. And I have another one of these to show you kind of what they look like. So really all I did was peeled off this little thing here on both strips and placed it where I wanted it. And then all you gotta do is just connect them together like this. And that's how they stick. So if you want to do this, you're going to need to make, let me just measure it for you to kind of let you see the dimensions. So you'll need about 2 inches wide, or if you're using the metric system, about 5 centimeters wide. And you also need, at the very least, approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters down. So you need the width of about 2 inches and the height approximately 2 inches as well. So it looks almost like a square. So of course in metric that's about 5 centimeters. So let me take you to the car and show you the mount for your GPS. Okay. So here I am at my car. Well, technically not mine, but the car I'm driving. And here's the mount. As you can see, it's approximately 2 inches by 2 inches, or 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. And notice that I did not place it too close to the vent. I actually placed it between the instrument panel and the vent, right here, the perfect spot. And it's just the best way to hold your smartphone to put GPS. And here's how it is. It just stays there. And that's the other side, and you can just pull it off when you want, like that. So that's the mount right there that I did, and all it took was 2 inches by 2 inches of Velcro. So let me demonstrate that one more time. Just put it in like that, and of course there's my phone. Like that, and you can go to whatever you need. There we go. Okay, that's it for this part. See you back. I hope this life hack inspires you to do something similar. Alright, see you back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this life hack helps you, and you can build a cheap mount for your car. Now, one thing to note, it's possible that there may be some adhesive erosion. So make sure you put it on the plasticky or whatever on the actual frame and not in any sensitive areas. Don't put it on glass, but similar to the way I put it. Okay, and that's all I have for this video. And just give it a like if you like it, and comment down below what you want me to do next for the next video. And take care. Have a good day. Goodbye.